Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back down Jubilee and I'm doing a night, and I've just got my rods out and I'm fishing off the end of the wind, and hopefully we can catch one. Quick update, it's looking really good out there. My left hand rod's out at 5 wraps and 1 foot, and my right hand rod's down the far margin, and hopefully we can get one. We've seen 2 showing, it's looking quite good. I would throw the rod in there.
That's a big bream, Clay.
Oh, yeah, Clay.
Morning. Clay. Clay.
Morning now, we had one just before first light and we're about to get it out now, and we'll show you the fish. Who's the landing at?
Hold on a little bit. That's it. Right, this way a little bit. Right, that's it. Tail one.
As you see, I've just had that mirror of my right hand rod down in the far margin, and I was using that same mix from last time, same blowback rig, and quite buzzing, and I thought it looked really nice, and it had some nice old scales. Nothing else has happened this morning, and hopefully we'll catch you next one. See ya.